this one, the first house, that one is Casa Binyan from Binyan, Laguna. So here in the heritage area, ma'am and sir, most of the houses here, they came from different places and different provinces. So once they transfer here, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. It's like they creating like piece by piece, column by column, and plank by plank. Once again, from Binyan, Laguna, Casa Binyan. This one, our next house, ma'am and sir, this one is Casa Baliwag from Baliwag, Bulacan. And this one is former owner of Capitan Fernando Berhel de Dios. And Capitan Fernando Berhel de Dios had a two wives. Okay, the first one is Miss Carmen Fausta de Leon, and they had nine children. They had 9 children. But suddenly, Miss Carmen was died due to the sick. Then after 1 year, Capitan Fernando Berhel de Dios had a wife again. This one is Miss Angela Nunes. And then from Miss Angela Nunes and Capitan, they had 12 children. So for the first one is 9 children, and then for the second was 12 children. And then way back before ma'am and sir, the ground floor of this house was a post office and mini terminal. Way back before. Of Bulaqueña and Bulacan. Okay? Once again, this house is Casa Baliwag from Baliwag, Bulacan. Next one, that one is Casa Binondo Dos from Binondo, Manila. That house, the highlight of that house, the terrace of that house is at the back. So when the terrace is at the back, they call it azotea. When the terrace is in the front, they call it veranda. So that's the highlight of that house. Then that house is one of our accommodation house or casa here in Luzon. So once again, Casa Binondo Dos from Binondo, Manila. Okay, next one, Casa Quiapo from Quiapo, Manila. Being part of the famous school here in the Philippines, the University of the Philippines, especially in Fine Arts. You want to visit this one inside? Nakapasok na. Ayan,
nag-walking tour na kami.
Nag-walking tour na. Okay. So you've learned a lot regarding here.
Pero parang hanggang dito lang yun.
Hanggang dito ka, yung tour. Then, di nyo na niresume.
Hindi, tapos na yung tour.
Tapos na.
Tinapos na yung tour.
So again,
kasi nga di ba dati hanggang doon pa?
Nag-iba na yung iikot ma'am since ginagawa po dito. So this one again po, Casa Tondo from Tondo, Manila. And then this one, the highlight of the house, if you can see the window. And they have roof, they call it canopy English and medyo agua in Spanish. On the right side, that one is from Bulacan again. That's in Casa May Kawayan. For this one, Binondo Uno again, and then one of our famous games here in the Philippines, the Palo Seto. Did you play it na? Way back before. Mostly that game, especially during festivals. Then of course, the Casa Mexico from Mexico, Pampanga.
Hindi namin na nakita yung
So this one, that house, the Casa Mexico, they found out on a junk shop or the junk area. Casa Mexico. Yes. And then one of our oldest houses here, this one is 1700s. That's a Casa Candaba from Candaba, Pampanga.
So the workshops are there, Joseph, pero hindi daw ba?
Oh, yeah. Shop here.
Pero ako ma'am, ako na mag-ano sa workshop ngayon, pupunta tayo.
Sige, okay.
Ang ano doon ma'am, sa workshop kanina, kaya ang ano ng tour guide is 3 PM kasi yun lang yung availability. So, dito muna tayo. Dati na sa inyo. Going tour.
Kasi nga nakita na naman ako.
Yeah.
Yung mga bahay. So, hindi nakasama kahapon.
Yes. Then sila po first time nila makikita.
Yes.
Most of the designs here, the architecture here, so they built here, our workshop. This is our construction, artist department, creating different designs every season, holiday season. piso. Like the balsag, wrap.
Ito, part ba yan ng laskas?
Yes.
Ito, pag-tanim nila ng palay.
Yes, yes. So by the way, ma'am and sir, so those are the fabrics of like bricks, the brick house, the lights there.
Para yung nagustuhan ko, mamaya ba pwede tayo? Di ba yung mga machuka tiles, di ba ginagawa ba?
Bali yan,
Hindi na natin mapapasok
dito
yan.
lang po ang
Okay,
pwede.
sige. Maganda yung paggawa ng machuka tiles, di ba?
So this is our first station for the workshop. So I think they create here the wood mosaics, ma'am and sir. You know the wood mosaics and also the fiber. This one.
Fiberglass ba yun?
The hard plastic.
Fiberglass.
For example, that one. If you can see that one, let's see. Sample of rating sculptures. Okay, let's go.